work, you can raise your hand and ask a question if anyone has any doubt with what we did yesterday.
Ma'am, we can continue.
Yes, you can continue. Write down today's date and then you can continue your work.
Yeah.
Anyone with any doubts from yesterday's work? Anhad, you've raised your hand.
No, it is not for doubt. It is for I can answer the questions.
Okay, okay. Let me ask a question first, then you can answer. Okay. Let's begin. Then
Good
I'll
morning,
ask.
ma'am.
Good morning. So we are going to start with exercise 2.1. It's page number 31 in your books. So everyone turn to page 31 in your books.
Ma'am, can you wait for
Yes, yes.
1 minute?
पेज नंबर कितना?
31.
Ma'am,
Excuse me, ma'am.
Rayan.
31
Ma'am.
Ask.
Ma'am, can you show book cover?
I can send you a photograph. Okay, I have a textbook right here. It's this one.
Ma'am, I have different.
Just send me a photograph. You can send the photograph to me personally or you can send it in the group. I'll check it.
Ma'am, इधर देखो.
Just a minute. Let me see.
Ma'am, I am using old book, but it's same.
Okay, the exercises must be same. Beta, show your book.
Ma'am, ये वाली है.
Ma'am, ये NCERT नहीं है.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am, we are certain.
No, this is different. Can you show the list of chapters?
मैम ये वाली है ना?
Ma'am, ये वाली है.
Beta, list of chapters. Chapter number 1 is integers. Chapter number 2 is
Yes.
fractions and decimals.
Yes, ma'am.
Chapter number 3 is, I think,
Data handling.
data handling.
Data handling.
Right.
handling.
Chapter
The
4 is
simple
simple equations. Okay.
Simple
हो सकता है बेटा print out change हो. Yes,
Integer.
beta. These are the same chapters. Is your exercise having different questions, Rayan? Beta, questions
No, ma'am.
different हैं.
मैं देखता हूँ उसको. 11.2.
आप पेज नंबर मत देखो, आप चैप्टर 2 की फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज निकालो.
Ma'am, ये
मैम सेम है.
सेम है.
Ma'am, same है.
बस ठीक है, ठीक है.
मैम मेरी में पिंक कलर है. थैंक यू मैम. मैम मेरी में कलर का डिफरेंस है. ओके सब सेम.
का डिफरेंस होगा. फाइन. Let's begin.
Yellow.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. You're late.
Good morning.
Start by writing down today's date.
Ma'am, I am continuing.
You can continue from the same page. We are going to begin with exercise 2.1, page number 31.
Question to be done.
Ma'am, you have to write in notebook.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, your voice is not clear.
Laptop.
Is it clear now?
Ma'am, yes.
Okay. Kindly write down
पहले
in your notebooks.
Ma'am, kindly wait.
मम्मी हमने खुद करने हैं मम्मी।
We will be doing it side by side. साथ साथ करेंगे बेटा.
Ma'am, please wait a second.
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
Is it audible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes ma'am.
इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? The fraction should be like fractions.
You know the meaning of like fractions?
Okay, like fractions.
Yes. When you are going to add or subtract or compare fractions, the denominators must be same. तो अगर आपकी fractions के denominators different हैं, the first step will be to take the LCM of the denominators, make the fractions with same denominator and then proceed. Right? Okay, let's start with the first part here. You've got 2 minus 3 by 5.
मम्मा
So,
मम्मी मैंने कर लिया।
okay. So the first
7
thing you
into
want to
5.
do is you can write down 2 as 2 by 1. 2 is
Ma'am,
not a
2 by
fraction.
1.
2 by 1. Then we take LCM of the denominators.
Yes, ma'am.
The LCM of any number with 1 is the number itself.
Is in number itself.
Now we change.
Ma'am, answer is 1 by 1. No. 1
No.
over 5. 1 over 5.
7 by 5.
The denominator
Ma'am,
is
7 by
5. Okay.
मेरा
फर्स्ट
7 by 5.
फ्रैक्शन का डिनोमिनेटर आपको 5 बनाना है. हम किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे?
Ma'am, 5 से.
5. So you get the numerator into 5
Ma'am, 10 by 5.
and the second one will
Answer
be
is 7.
Ma'am, 3 by 5.
3 into 1.
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes, Ryan.
7 by 5 answer.
मैम ऐसे नहीं कर सकते
7
कि
by
5
5
मल्टीप्लाइड बाय
answer.
2 एंड जो आंसर आया उसको 3 के साथ माइनस या प्लस.
You could do
7
that
by
way
5
also, but it doesn't necessarily work in all parts.
ओके मैम.
We're talking about cross multiplication.
मैम
It
फर्स्ट का
works,
7 by 5 है ना।
it works if you have a whole number and you're adding a fraction or subtracting a fraction.
ओके मैम. अगर मैम ये हुआ 2 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 3 ओवर 5 तो मैम ये क्या होगा?
मल्टीप्लिकेशन पे आते हैं बेटा, अभी हम एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन कर रहे हैं. We will do it 1 by 1. Okay.
मैम
Let's focus on one thing, then we will proceed. So those who know how to do these questions, जिनको तो याद है कि ये कैसे करने हैं, you can proceed and start writing down the answers for all the parts and keep matching with the answers that I write here side by side. You can do it yourself, but do cross check. Cross check जरूर करना कि जो मैं करवा रही हूँ ठीक चल रहा है ना, आंसर साथ में मैच कर रहा है कि नहीं. Those who don't remember, they do it with me. Now we are going to do the second part. We have 4 plus 7 by 8.
मुझे पढ़ना है.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
And the answer will be 7 by 5.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Adding 4 and 7 by 8. First thing, we write it as 4 over 1.
4 over 1.
Let's take LCM of the denominators. You could convert. If you want,
LCM is 8.
so when you convert 7 by 5 into a mixed number, the answer will be 1 and 2 by 5. Right, Anand?
Mummy, yes. 1 whole 2 by 5.
Yes, 1 and 2 by 5. It's optional. You can leave your answer as an improper fraction. आप यहाँ पे आंसर दे सकते हो अपना, ठीक है?
Okay.
Let's do second part. LCM is 8.
LCM 8 multiplied 4 plus 7 multiplied 1.
8 multiplied by 4 plus 7 multiplied with 1. Denominator.
Ma'am, 39 over 8.
That's right. The answer is 39 by
39 over
8.
8.
If we convert it into mixed,
39 over 8.
4 7 by 8.
4,
4
7.
7.
Can you see it's the combination of the values we had in the question? 4 and 7 by 8. Right? So this tells you if you have to add a whole number and a fraction, the answer will be whole and उसके साथ आपका जो fraction का numerator denominator है वो attach हो जाएगा. So if it were 7 and 2 by 3, what will be the answer? इसे mixed number बना लो. 7, 2 by 3 इसके साथ attach कर दो. This is your answer.
Can we divide at a side?
Yes, you can carry out the division on a side. Someone's
And the answer of the third is 31 by 35.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम.
Arman,
Yeah,
yes.
मैम तो आपने मैम होल मैम ऑरेंज पेन से मैम लिखा है, तो मैम हमने इसके सेकंड क्वेश्चन के साथ ये भी लिखना है.
Yes.
ओके मैम.
Ma'am, the
Ma'am,
answer of
fourth
third part is 31 over 35.
Ma'am, fourth का 91 over
31 over
165.
35. And the answer is 31 over 35.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
ये आपने होल और फ्रैक्शन का क्या किया है समझ नहीं आया.
अगर आपके पास होल नंबर है, साथ में आपको एक फ्रैक्शन को ऐड करना है, तो आप बिना एलसीएम लिए सीधा उनको ऐड कर सकते हो. उनको बस इकट्ठा जोड़ के लिख दो.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम.
यस बेटा.
मैम ये वाला काम है हमने स्कूल वाली कॉपी पे करना है ना?
यस बेटा. आफ्टर द डेफिनेशंस.
ओके मैम.
यस.
मैम हम जो मैम आपने होल नंबर प्लस फ्रैक्शन किया है, तो मैम वो हम एग्जांपल में लिखें कि मैम वैसे ही नीचे स्टार्ट कर दे
इसको
लिखना उसको.
साइड पे जहाँ पे आप सम कर रहे हो वहां लिख सकते हो, या फिर इस आंसर के नीचे नोट की फॉर्म में लिख सकते हो.
ओके मैम, थैंक यू.
This is a shortcut which can be used if you have to add a whole number and a fraction. अगर एक सिंपल नंबर है और उसके साथ एक फ्रैक्शन ऐड हो रही है, तो आपका आंसर कैसे बनेगा? उन दोनों को कंबाइन कर लो और ये जो होल बन रहा है ना, इसे मिक्स्ड सा नंबर बन रहा है, ये आपका आंसर होगा. So can you convert this into
Ma'am?
improper form?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Ananya.
मैम फोर्थ क्वेश्चन में जो एलसीएम निकला है वो 165 है.
Yes, beta. Can anyone convert
Yes.
this mixed number into improper form? Anhad,
Yes, ma'am.
can you convert this mixed number into improper form? 7 and 2 by 3?
23 by 3.
Ma'am,
मैम साथ में इकट्ठा कर दो इनको. हम इकट्ठा कर दो इनको.
Yes.
23.
मैम लेट्स डू थर्ड में मैम.
23 by 3.
That's right.
Ma'am, 7 multiplied by 3 plus 2 over 3.
That's
Ma'am
right.
7 into 3 plus 2 over 3.
That's right.
Ma'am,
Third part,
Excuse me, ma'am.
one at a time. One at a time. Chirag, you've raised your hand. Beta, do you have a question?
No, ma'am, for answering.
Okay, you need
First
to put your hand down because it is like there.
Okay, ma'am, sorry.
Preet Kaur.
Ma'am, can you show the 2.1 exercise and questions?
You want to see the textbook?
Ma'am, 2.1 exercise. Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, the answer of fourth question is 99 over 165.
Okay, let's do, that's wonderful. Let's do third part, sorry. First of all, we will take LCM of the denominators.
5 and 7.
35.
35.
35.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Good, Simran, yes.
Ma'am, answer of third. Ma'am, answer of
Ma'am,
third
31
question
by
is
35.
31 by 35.
35.
Seventh standard, beta, you are all answering together. I'm continuously saying you will not answer before you raise your hand. Good, Simran, you were asking something.
Ma'am, answer of third one is 31 by 35.
Yes, yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Bhavya,
Ma'am, the answer of C
just a
part is
minute.
35 by 35.
Yes, that's right. What will be the value here? You'll have 3 multiplied with 7 plus,
Excuse me, ma'am. 5 multiplied
yes,
by
Ananya?
5. Ma'am, 21 plus 10.
Excuse me, ma'am.
21 plus 10, the denominator is
By
35.
31, 35. Equals to 31.
Yes, Ananya?
मैम क्वेश्चन 4 में आंसर 91 बाय 165 आया है
91 or 99?
मैम 91 बाय 165 अनन्या यस
Okay, 91 by 165 for fourth part.
ओके मैम थैंक यू
9 over 11 minus 4 by 15. Take LCM carefully. LCM of 11 and 15. This is 165.
165. Ma'am, I
Convert,
want to answer something.
Ma'am, 165.
divide the denominators, multiply with numerator.
I'm 91 by 65.
4 multiplied with 11, you will have 99 minus, sorry, 135.
Excuse me, ma'am.
65.
Yes.
Ma'am, the answer of fifth is 26 by 10.
चिराग सही है वही है आंसर तो
मम्मा धीरे
Anyone who's
Then we
writing
can
third
leave
part?
Ma'am, we can leave in improper. Ma'am, I have done that.
Ma'am, wait. Ma'am, please wait.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have a question.
Yes.
Ma'am, if we take LCM of 3, then my answer is not coming. Ma'am, how can we do that?
Let's do, I think it's the next part.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we are coming to that. I will do it on a side here if that's fine.
1 minute.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, we can convert the two parts in mixed fraction.
Which two parts?
Third and fourth.
Beta, this is a proper fraction. Proper fraction को convert नहीं करते.
Okay, ma'am.
You can write this for yourself. You cannot change proper fraction to mixed fraction. गलत हो जाएगा फिर वो. कौन सी fraction को mixed में change करते हैं? Improper.
Improper.
सिर्फ improper को change करना है, proper को नहीं change करना. 91 by 165 भी change नहीं होगा, 31 by 35 भी change नहीं होगा.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
जाएंगे. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, if the answer, when answer come, if the answer it can be cut, we should cut it.
Yes, if you want to simplify, you can simplify.
Okay, ma'am.
If there is a
Ma'am,
possibility.
Ma'am, we have to do second question also.
Yes.
Excuse me.
Yes.
Ma'am, in question 2, the answer was 39 by 8, so it is compulsory to convert it into mixed fraction.
Which one?
Ma'am, second.
I am saying if you are going to convert the answers into mixed numbers, make sure that you are only converting improper fractions.
मैंने भी जाना है. Ma'am, it is
Ryan?
optional.
Yes, it's optional. Let's find the LCM of three numbers together. We have 10, 5 and 2. I'm going to divide these by 2.
Ma'am, 10 is the LCM.
is 10.
LCM 10.
LCM is
Those
10.
who have forgotten to find the LCM of three numbers. This is how you do it. अब ये जो बाहर आपके factors हैं इनको multiply करो. This tells you what the LCM is. Now the same way, make sure that each of the fraction has denominator 10. First one will be as it is. You can just multiply with 1. Second one, the denominator should be 10. For the second fraction, किससे multiply करेंगे? Jivtesh.
Yes, ma'am.
बेटा आपको second fraction का
two
denominator
से.
10 2 से करेंगे.
Ma'am, by 2.
Third one,
Ma'am, may I answer?
yes.
Ma'am, 5.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
why
total answer is 26 by 10.
7 plus 4 plus 15 over,
Ma'am, why we have done 7 into 1?
because the denominator is already 10.
Ma'am, may I answer?
The denominator is already 10. We don't want to change.
Excuse me,
Yes.
7, 4,
ma'am. Question
15.
for LCM 5 है.
No.
That's 6.
The LCM of 3 and 2 will be 6.
Okay, ma'am.
Now
Ma'am,
for fifth part, look at the screen, everyone. Those who have done fifth part, even those, please take a look. Watch the screen. Fifth part, once you take the LCM, after the addition, the answer comes out to be 26 by 10. Now at this step, you look closely and see that the numerator and denominator, they are both multiples of 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? The numerator and denominator, they are both multiples of 2. We will simplify here. Divide both by 2. The numerator is 13. The denominator will be 2. This is your
5.
answer.
Ma'am, 13 by 5.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
मैम मेरा मैम फिर भी मैं पहले मैंने सब 26 upon 10 को 13 by 5 किया फिर मैम 2 by 6 किया.
If you
Ma'am, is it the correct way?
this is what you get.
Ma'am, we will convert into mixed now.
Yes. This is
Multiplied
optional.
7 by into 1.
Better conversion into
Ma'am,
mixed
2,
number is
3 by
optional.
5 is the answer.
Yes.
Ma'am, I am doing like this.
Better, can you send a photograph on WhatsApp? That will be easier for me to check.
Okay, ma'am. Now we will.
She is taking the denominator 1 and going for the.
Sixth part, we have 2 and 2 by 3 plus 3 and 1 by 2.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Convert your mixed numbers into improper first
Excuse
of all.
me, ma'am.
Ma'am, may I give
17
the
by
answer?
2, 29 by 8.
Arman, yes, Arman.
मैम जो आपने फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन में मैम मिक्स लिखा है तो मैम हम मिक्स को नहीं लिख सकते कि लिखना ही है मिक्स.
नहीं नहीं नेसेसरी नहीं है.
ओके मैम.
Ma'am, can I get the answer of 6? कर दिया अपना pick.
Ma'am, answer is 15 by 6.
Let's write down and check. Let's write down. Sixth part, we have mixed fractions. First thing you will do is you will convert these mixed fractions into improper fractions. So converting 2 and 2 by 3, This will be 8 by 3. 3 and 1 by 2, this will be 7 by 2. Let's take the LCM. Oh, sorry. The answer is 37 by 6. Smaira, beta, how is denominator 3? Yes, it's 37 by 6. Okay. Chirag, check your addition for the numerators. Dronveer, you're asking about the classwork. You want to send or you want me to send the work? Rishit, go ahead and ask.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, can you explain why we have multiplied 7 by 1 in fifth part?
Over here. What you want to do is you want to convert each of these rational numbers in such a way that the denominator is 10. जो ये आपकी पहली फ्रैक्शन है इसका डिनोमिनेटर पहले से 10 है, राइट? तो आप क्या करोगे, इसको जब आप चेंज करना चाहोगे, यू एक्चुअली डोंट वांट टू चेंज इट, या तो ये लिखो ही नहीं, सिंपली 7 लिख लो यहाँ पे. आपने ऐसे किया है?
Ma'am, I have.
ऋषित,
Ma'am,
okay, let me just show it in a different way. आपके पास 3 fractions हैं. Just watch. You have 7 by 10, you have 2 by 5, and you have 3 by 2.
6 by.
ये 3 fractions हैं आपके पास. इनका denominator आपको बनाना है 10, सभी का. इसका तो पहले से 10 है. तो इसको अगर आप multiply करते हो, तो हम 1 से कर सकते हैं, ताकि ये change ही ना हो.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? सेकेंड फ्रैक्शन
Yes,
को
ma'am.
किससे करेंगे? 2 से.
Yes, ma'am.
and the third one will be with 5.
5.
अब तीनों के नीचे क्या बन गया?
10.
न्यूमरेटर बताओ क्या आया? See, this
Ma'am,
is what I
numerator-
had. मैंने यही लिखा था
7.
ना? This is what I had written.
Yes, ma'am.
And second is 2 into 2.
Yes, ma'am.
And the third one is 3 into 5. This is how I have obtained.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Anhad?
Ma'am,
Yes, Dronveer, you can send. You can either send a PDF or you can send a photograph. Anhad, beta, unmute yourself and ask.
ma'am, I have a problem.
Yes,
That
ask.
we have to do third question or not?
We have to do third question, but we can do this on the book. We will do third question at the end of the exercise.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, let's complete this question. Last part of first question. You have to do the subtraction for 8 and 1 by 2, 3, 5 by 8. Convert these. Good, Simran, can you answer?
Ma'am, yes. Ma'am, first is 17 by 2 and second 29 by 8. Then we have to do, firstly we have to find its LCM, then it is 8. Then we will multiply, then we will add. Then answer is 97 by 8.
All right. Anhad, is it right? Sia Anand, you raised your hand. Unmute and answer, Sia.
मैम मैम पार्ट 6 मैम दोबारा बताना कि मैम मिक्स फ्रैक्शन को इम्प्रॉपर में मैम दोबारा बताना कि कैसे बदलते हैं.
Okay. So you have 2 and 2 by 3. This is a mixed number. You start with your denominator. You multiply it with the whole number on the side. And then you add the number on the top. So इन दोनों का product क्या बनेगा? 3 into 2.
मैम 6.
Add 2.
मैम 8. Yes.
The denominator will be the same. Denominator will not change.
Oh, okay मैम. Thank you मैम.
Arman Seni. Unmute and ask.
Ma'am, I have done
Excuse me,
7th
ma'am.
question.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Ryan.
मैम 6th क्वेश्चन में आपने ये वाला कहा है 3 over 1 over 2. तो मैम नीचे तो 2 है तो मैम वो वहाँ पे 3 कैसे हो गया?
कहाँ पे बेटा? ये 2 सेम है, देखो.
मैम ये देखो जैसे कि नीचे एक के नीचे 3 है और दूसरे के नीचे 2 है. तो मैम आपने नीचे लिखा हुआ है कि 3 भी होगा उसके नीचे.
नहीं, मैंने उसकी बात किया जिस मिक्स्ड नंबर को आप कन्वर्ट कर रहे हो, उसका डिनोमिनेटर सेम रहता है. सभी का सेम नहीं हो जाएगा.
ओके
आई एम जस्ट टॉकिंग अबाउट वन एट अ टाइम.
ओके मैम.
Jivitesh, you want to ask something? Unmute and ask.
Ma'am, I was asking that you gave a shortcut method for question number 6. Can we skip that shortcut method or do it the simple way?
Yes.
And the 7th part.
Let's change. The first one is 17 by 2, making the denominator 8. I'm going to multiply with 4. The second one is
97 by 8.
the second one is to be multiplied with 1. Now the denominator is 8. 68 minus.
The answer is 97 by 8.
You have to subtract, not add.
39 by 8.
You have to
Ma'am,
subtract,
answer-
not add. Be careful.
Ma'am, 78 by 8.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Check, beta.
Ma'am,
Check your
Ma'am,
multiplication. 17.
Ma'am, this answer is correct.
Ma'am, 3500 over
ma'am,
2200.
78 by 8.
Excuse me, ma'am. I have a doubt.
Ask.